Hello guys, I'm here once more to talk about the Matlab. Today will be a fast tutorial and I'm going to introduce to you a command that is to solve equations. Okay, so first of all, okay, let's go to the script. Okay, first of all, for you define an equation, you need to define the variables and the constants. And to do so, you need to define or just uh, um, um, to declare the symbols of an equation. Okay, so I'm going to choose A, B, C, and X. Why? Because the formulae that I'm going to use for this example, formulae that I am, okay, sorry, to write things, you need to put this symbol here. The formulae used will be the Bhaskara formulae. Okay, formulae. So the second step is to declare the equation. Okay, so the equation will be the Bhaskara formulae we know very well. It's ax squared times b x plus c equally to 0. Okay, so this is a very important step because we know that when I declare a variable and I mean given some value for this variable, I'm just say that, for example, a is equal to, for example. But in this case, for an equation, I need to use two double symbols of equally. Okay, so, and the third thing, it's a really simple methodology. I just need to solve. So I'm going to define another variable that is solution of x, sx, and this will be the command of solve, and I need to put here the equation and say what is the variable that I want to choose solving. Okay, so how this equation here I'm solving for x. So let's run the program to see what is the result. I need to add it to the path. Okay, something was wrong. It happens an error here. Let's investigate what I have done. Okay, sorry, the command symbols doesn't have the B. Okay, it just seems. So let's see again. Let's clear the command, clear the workspace. These things happen, it's normal, don't worry. And let's check all the formulae that I'm using here. Okay, the solve is not a capital error. Okay, so let's try again. Now let's save first and then run. Okay, so this is my equation, and this is the solutions of this equation for x. And indeed, this is the two solutions that a quadratic equation have. Okay, that a quadratic equation has. So we have here minus b plus the root of b squared minus 4 times a times b times c, divided the whole expression divided by 2 times a, and here we have the solution when we change the sign of plus to the minus. Okay, so this is the two solutions. If I wanted the solution of the equation for the variable a, I just need to write this code here, equation and a, and run the program to see what is going on. So I have the SX and the SA. So it's exactly, if I put the C for the right side and the minus and the B times X, and then divided by X squared, I'm going to have the A. That's just this solution here. And the same I can do for, the same I can do for SC. Will be solve the equation of C. Okay, I can do the same for B and so on. So I hope that tutorial will be really helpful for you. And it's important here that this equation, we know already the solutions. It's a simple solution, but when you work with a really complex equation, and the Matlab is a powerful tool to give you some guidance to get the solution of the equation. But also, this kind of function to solve equations can be applied for differential equations that is really occurring very quite well in physics and physics problems, chemical problems also. So you are going to introduce some boundary conditions to get sometimes analytical solution, and sometimes numerical solution. But it's important to know that doesn't matter with the complexity of the equation. If you have with the Matlab can find a solution, you have of course a computer that can process this kind of calculation, you can find easily the solution. So thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was useful, and see you on the next video. Bye.